Welcome back. Before we do the new economic policy, it'll be important to know what was the economic policy pursued between the time period 1950 to 1990. Because 91 we have the new economic policy, and that's what we are going to discuss now. So we know, broadly we know, we had mixed economy, we had the dominant public sector, we had a controlled private sector, then we had protection given to the our industries, yeah, even in trade, import substitution. As we said, there was centralized planning, and there was reliance on domestic resources. So I want you to just go through these, just go look at these points. Yeah. So before, so we can also see, like, you could get a question as state the features of economic policy pursued under planning till 1991, or between the time period 1950 to 1990, what was the economic policy, or what were the features of our economic policy. So the most important features, as you can see, is number one, there was this mixed economy. So there was like a mixed capitalist system. Here both public as well as private sectors were to operate, and the operation was demarcated by the central industrial policy. So they had decided, the industrial policy made it very clear which would go to the public sector and which would go to the other sector, public and private sector. Then we throughout we know how dominant the role of public sector has been. It was given more importance because it had this role, the welfare role of establishing basic industries and also infrastructural facilities. Then we had what is the controlled private sector under a lot of rules and regulations, under the license. It was under the license Raj, they said, which means that they were you had the industrial licensing policy, you had the Monopolies and Restricted Trade Practices Act, you had the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. So by the legislation they were ruled, they had to follow rules. Then you had we protected our industries through foreign competition, and we checked the import of foreign goods through high import duties and restrictions. So quotas were determined, and then there were also many restrictions on the inflow of foreign capital, that was also decided, and subsidies played an important role. They were given to small producers and also producers in the priority sectors, or producers which were there going to areas which were known as backward areas. So various types of subsidies were there. Then we had the central planning system, centralized planning as with the Planning Commission, because programs of growth and development of the states were amalgamated, they were mixed rather, with the programs of growth and development of the central government. And then, so foreign capital was absolutely restricted. So we were relying on domestic resources, and high rates of interest were given to promote savings. So basically this was before the new economic policy came in 1991. This was followed. This was the economic policy that was prevalent during the period 1950 to 1990.